will conduct a public hearing after the Q&A session. The purpose of the hearing is to receive official comments for the official record regarding Wiregrass Power LLC's environmental permit application. All citizens interested in giving official comments should sign in and indicate intentions to speak for the public hearing phase. After all the comments are heard, those who did not sign up to make a comment will be given the opportunity to do so. So don't feel left out. You didn't sign in or check your name. We would like everyone to sign in though. This proceeding is videotaped, so when you're making your comment, please state your name and affiliation and speak clearly so your comments can be heard. You may also provide written comments also. You have a green form also. If you choose not to make a verbal statement at the public hearing, then you can write it down. You also have a list of contacts in your handout. That's our staff that are here, as well as a PowerPoint presentation that EPD will present. So at this point in time, I'd like to recognize any elected officials who are in the audience that would like to make a statement before we move forward. Any county commissioners, city officials. Okay, very good. So at this point, I'll turn the meeting over to Eric Cornwell for introductions to the EPD staff, then the Wiregrass.
This is on. Once again, my name is Eric Cornwell. I'm the permitting program manager in the air protection branch. I brought John Intima. John Intima is the unit manager for the combustion permitting unit. We also have Satharanam Ganapathy. He is the permit writer of this particular project, one of our permit engineers. He's going to be doing some camera work for us. And Thomas, of course. And Bob, I'll let you go ahead and introduce you and your staff.
Yeah, okay. I'm Bob Turner, project director for the Wiregrass project. With me up here on the table is Bob McCann, who did the air permit application work for Goder Associates out of Gainesville, Florida. And you want to talk about any of your associates?
Sal Mohammed, permit engineer for Lowndes Associates. And Amy Addison, who is from our Atlanta office, also assisting on the project.
I'm just going to go over, I got about a 5 or 10 minute presentation. We're just going to go over kind of a little bit about the proposed project and some of the regulatory framework, just kind of the overall regulatory framework for how Georgia EPD issues air quality permits, what we have authority to regulate, what we don't have authority to regulate. So I'm going to start with that right now. But I do appreciate y'all coming out and your interest in this particular project. Bear with me here. Let's see. Click in and it's happening. Click it. Moving on. The proposed project that Wiregrass had submitted an application for, I have down here a 45 megawatt biomass fired steam generating facility, and that number is actually a 40. So please make note of that in your copy of your.
Eric, hold on a second.
What's going on?
You gotta start over. Okay.
All right. All right. So the unit we're looking at is going to be about a 40 or both of the. What's that? That's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Start over from the very beginning. We're just going to pick it up. I don't want to waste much time here. So anyway, start off with that. The unit is going to be a 45, or supposed to be a 45 megawatt unit that has been updated and corrected in our notes here to be a 40 megawatt unit. That's roughly 20,000 to 25,000 homes. The heat input size is around 636 million BTUs per hour. This is going to be a biomass fire facility. That means wood residue from forestry, wood residue. There's not going to be any coal, no tires. There will be natural gas to start off with. They've also proposed to burn about 4 million BTUs worth of sewage sludge from the neighboring Mud Creek wastewater treatment plant, which is right up against this facility property here. And kind of a picture of this. This is going to be kind of hard to see here. Let's see if I can get my laser pointer to work here. southeast corner of the city. All right, Thomas, come up. All right, here's a blow up, a little bit closer up, and you can see here's the bypass for perimeter